We all know that property prices in South Mumbai have become unaffordable for most Mumbaikars. So the search is now on for new micro markets which do offer affordable and budget homes. One such market which has grabbed the attention of developers and investors is Shivri, a small region neighbouring Parel and Wadala. Nikhil Sivdas tells us what makes Shivri the latest hotspot.
Rajesh D'Souza is an avid investor in Mumbai's real estate market. So far, most of his bets have paid off handsomely. So much so that family and friends routinely come to him for advice. But even they were shocked when he invested in a largely unheard part of Mumbai called Shivri.
Everyone thought at that price that I was joking, that I could get a flat anywhere else in Mumbai at that price.
But Rajesh has had the last laugh, with the flat that he had purchased in Ashoka Gardens having appreciated in value.
The prices then were close to 3,000 and 5,000, and now it's about between 35 and 40,000 for that project. Maybe it was a premium project, but still Shivri is still a good buy.
Rajesh is one among many smart investors and home buyers waking up to the potential of the Shivri micro market. Located to the east of South Mumbai, Shivri has so far been overshadowed by its bigger neighbours Wadala, Lower Parel and Parel. But high prices and land scarcity in those markets has caused interest in Shivri to pick up, with investors expecting Shivri's prices to match those of Lower Parel and Wadala in the next 3 to 5 years.
When we talk of Shivri, the prices are anywhere between 20 to 27, 28, 30,000. But in Parel and Wadala, it has gone up to 30, 40,000 as well. Shivri is, I would say, at this point in time, slightly undervalued. So that gives the potential for that micro market really to go forward.
The relatively low prices are just one factor. The other main attraction is its proximity to South Mumbai and social infrastructure hubs like Wadala and Lower Parel. Experts say that this, coupled with rising commercial demand from the surrounding areas, will benefit Shivri immensely.
The long-term intention of MMRDA of opening a new BKC in Wadala, definitely that will help Wadala, but that will have a tremendous impact on Shivri residential as well.
This may be why developer interest in Shivri is at an all-time high. Apart from ongoing projects by big-name builders such as Lodha, Dosti, RNA and Peninsula, brokers NDTV spoke to have said that several more developers, like the Ahuja Group for example, are in active talks to invest in the region.
You look at the number of projects that are being launched in and around Wadala Shivri belt. That itself, is an indicator that the area holds huge potential, and there is a lot of opportunity for appreciation and using this destination as an investment destination.
But even with developers showing interest, experts warn that fresh supply in the region will still be constrained. That's because any project coming up here will have to go the redevelopment way thanks to many old and dilapidated buildings here. Even large-scale projects are limited unless the builder goes in for cluster development. And both are processes that take a long time to complete. From Mumbai, Nikhil Sivdas, NDTV.